This is one of our Chunkster models. It's just about to move to a new home. And this beast is one that we've taken on to repair, which has turned into a bit of a nightmare. Came in originally with just vibration, and on close inspection, this is what we discovered. This is the gearbox. We tried making a new prop shaft for it, and then realised that the fault wasn't with the prop shaft. It was actually at the gearbox output shaft. As you can see, bent as a 9-bob note. It's literally smashed its way through all the outside here. That was just poor design. They just didn't make sure that the prop shaft was able to turn. The lobes of the prop shaft weren't machined down enough, and it wasn't able to turn. As you can see, we've made a new prop shaft for it, but we still need to machine the lobes down so that it can turn a little bit better. But what a nightmare. We've had to actually construct a crane to actually hold the trike up, because the engine and gearbox had to come out. And the swing arm had to come off the back of the gearbox before the gearbox could come out. And unfortunately, whoever manufactured it did it in situ. So when the welding shrunk all the metal and pulled everything together, it literally pinched up against the gearbox, and instead of running on the gearbox, instead of running on the swing arm bearings like it should have been, it's been running on the aluminium of the gearbox and just grinding it away. So that's something we're going to have to redesign. Also, the swing arm bolt that goes through here, because it's been riding on it, it's completely demolished the thread. So that's another thing we've got to come up with a new idea, new design for. But like I said, this is not one of our trikes. This is just one that we've been asked to repair. Not to worry, these things are sent to try us.